Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing and review video. I see a lot of positive comments, a lot of positive videos from this car, so I had to try it. The car I'm reviewing this time is the LDRC 1899 from AliExpress or Amazon. Oh yeah, a cheap one from China. It's 1/18 scale and it comes with a nice box. It was about 60 euros on AliExpress, so I'm very curious, how can they make this for that kind of money? So let's unpack it and take a look what we've got. It was shipped from China to my door in about 5 days, so really fast. Compliments for AliExpress. I've seen other reviews and unboxing videos and I think they changed the arrangement in the box, because some of the cars came with broken hubs or other damaged parts, so I think they did a good job. Everything is nicely packed and secure, so it can't move around with shipping. The car is really heavy, so let's take it out. It's a diecast body. The transmitter is made of really cheap plastic, but it's not bad, and for this price I think I can't complain. The older versions came with a really flimsy controller, so this is a big improvement. The box is coming with all your essentials, like a USB charger, a screwdriver, a spoiler and some other parts to put on the car later on. And when you're still watching this video, please subscribe, like, share or comment and put on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. And please watch the full video. The suspension is fully adjustable, like camber, toe. Yeah, the rear diff is locked. It even got metal axles and metal bearings. So, not bad at all. The car comes with a 7.4 500 mAh battery. So let's put it on charge and let's drive some later on. But first we're gonna take a look at the body on the underside. It's really easy to get access. The chassis is mounted with 2 screws and on the front you slide it in. So let's take it out. Let's see what we're working with. As you can see, it's fully adjustable. And it even comes with lights. Front lights, rear lights, brake lights, reverse lights and blinker lights. But the blinker lights I cut off later on because I find them annoying. It even comes with an inbuilt gyro. I didn't adjust anything. The car came with a bad alignment, but we shall see how it drives straight out of the box. And when you're still watching, I can't stress this enough, but please subscribe, like, share, comment, put on your notifications bell and watch the whole video please. Straight out of the box, it's really good. I'm happy with it. In some other videos I've seen, the car came with a bad gyro wobble, but I don't notice it, so maybe they update it or something. But yeah, it's good. It's really good. When you want to get into RC drifting, I think this is a nice way to go. It's not expensive and you can even buy upgraded parts. I have to practice a little bit more and I have to do some alignment. But yeah, I can't stress this enough. But it's good. It's really good. I'm happy. So let's enjoy it a little bit. And I thank you for your time to watch this whole video. And I can't say this enough, but please like, share, comment or subscribe and see what I'm building of it. Because, as always, it's gonna be a custom build. Maybe another color, maybe another wheels, maybe a steering lock kit. Yeah, I don't know yet. But for the first time, I think it's a nice car. And it's looking nice also. I see you the next time I hope. Bye bye. And thanks for watching.